Hello, this is Erin, and I am going to go over Enhancement 2, what we did this week. So this week we were working on creating a server, so we made this connections file, and so we'll run this in a minute to make sure it's all going okay, but let's go over to the database. So I inserted our new client, Tony Stark, and I'll show you how we did a query. So I just did this opposite so it would be nice and fresh. So go and let's look at our client now. And he is now at a level 3. So that worked okay. So now we're going to go to our inventory, and here we have nylon rope showing, and we want it to say climbing rope instead. So let's go over to our query and update. And we don't need all of this lovely stuff, but I tried it out earlier just to make sure it would work for the video. So let's grab what I worked on before the video. So grab that and bring it back here. So that's going to update everything. So let's go, inventory, and now, so we have that the climbing rope has been updated. Now let's go back to our code and let's look and see. So excuse me. So we're gonna run this and see, we have that blank page, so we know that's working correctly, even though that seems very counterintuitive. So now we're gonna break it and save and run that, and oh no, we have a fatal error. Prepare for impact, and it's all on the Roadrunner. So that's this week for Enhancement 2. Thanks!